Technology. Do you use a smartphone? Yes, I use my smartphone every day. How often do you use the internet? I use the internet every day. What's your favorite app? My favorite app is Instagram. Do you prefer using a laptop or a tablet? I prefer using a tablet. How do you stay safe online? I use strong passwords and avoid sharing personal information. Which app do you use the most? I use WhatsApp the most to chat with friends. Fashion. Do you follow fashion trends? Yes, I like to keep up with fashion trends. Do you prefer shopping for clothes online or in store? I prefer shopping for clothes online. What's your favorite accessory? My favorite accessory is a watch. How would you describe your style? My style is casual and comfortable. Learning English. Why are you learning English? I am learning English to improve my communication skills. How do you practice English? I practice English by speaking and watching videos on YouTube channel English Tales. Do you think English is difficult? No, I find it interesting but not too hard. How often do you study English? I study English for 1 hour every day. Dreams and aspirations. What is your biggest dream? My biggest dream is to become a banker. What do you want to achieve in life? I want to travel the world. Do you believe dreams can come true? Yes, I believe if you work hard, dream can come true. Home appliances. What appliances do you have at home? I have a refrigerator, a washing machine, and a microwave. Which appliance do you use the most? I use the microwave the most. Do you like cooking with a microwave? Yes, it makes cooking easier. Personal goals. Do you set personal goals? Yes, I set personal goals every year. How do you plan to achieve your goals? I plan to achieve my goals by making a schedule. Do you think setting goals is important? Yes, setting goals help me stay focused. What motivates you to reach your goals? My desire to improve motivates me to reach my goals. Health. Do you exercise regularly? Yes, I exercise 3 times a week. What do you do to stay healthy? I eat healthy food and do exercise. Do you get enough sleep every night? Yes, I try to sleep 8 hours every night. How often do you go to the doctor? I go to the doctor once a year for a checkup. Weather. How's the weather today? It's sunny and warm. Do you like rainy weather? Yes, I like the rain. What's the temperature outside? It's about 25 degrees Celsius. What's your favorite season? My favorite season is autumn. Does it snow where you live? No, it doesn't snow here. Family. How many people are in your family? There are 3 people in my family. What does your father do? My father is a professor. Do you live with your parents? Yes, I live with my parents. Music. What type of music do you enjoy? I enjoy pop music because it's fun and catchy. Do you play any musical instruments? Yes, I play the guitar. Have you ever been to a concert? Yes, I went to a concert last month. It was amazing. Favorite things. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is yellow. It makes me feel happy. What is your favorite animal? My favorite animal is a dog because they are loyal and friendly. What is your favorite way to relax? My favorite way to relax is to read books. Hobbies. What are your hobbies? My hobbies are reading and painting. How often do you practice your hobby? I practice every weekend. Do you have any outdoor hobbies? Yes, I enjoy paragliding and hiking. What hobby would you like to learn? I would like to learn piano.